Welcome back to the AI Explorer. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create high-impact AI videos for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, using AI-generated visuals and a simple prompt-based workflow. We'll focus specifically on horror stories, because this genre performs incredibly well in short-form content when done right. The first thing to understand is that short-form platforms reward emotion, atmosphere, and speed. You don't need long explanations or complex plots. What you need is a strong hook, unsettling visuals, and a clear story beat that unfolds in under 60 seconds. AI is perfect for this because it allows you to generate cinematic horror scenes without cameras, actors, or editing experience. As you're watching the screen right now, I'm generating videos directly from text prompts. The key here is learning how to write prompts that think like a horror director. Instead of saying something vague like a scary scene, you want to be very specific. Describe the environment, the lighting, the mood, and the movement. For example, a dark hallway lit by flickering bulbs, slow camera movement forward, shadows crawling along the walls, grainy cinematic texture, and an unsettling atmosphere. The more sensory detail you include, the better the result. Horror works best when you imply more than you show. When you're creating prompts, leave room for mystery. Mention sounds that can't be seen, like distant footsteps or faint whispers. Describe camera angles that build tension, such as slow zooms or wide shots that make the subject feel small and vulnerable. These small choices dramatically increase retention on short-form platforms. Now, let's talk about story structure. Every viral horror short follows a simple formula. You open with a hook that creates instant unease. This could be a single line of narration like, "I should have never opened the door," or "The security camera moved on its own at 3:17 a.m. Within the first 2 seconds, the viewer needs to feel curiosity or fear. Then you escalate the tension with visuals that slowly reveal something is wrong. Finally, you end with a disturbing or unanswered moment. Never fully explain everything. Open loops make people re-watch and comment. While the visuals are generating, think about pacing. Short-form horror should feel slow and fast at the same time. The camera movement can be slow, but the cuts should be tight. If one shot doesn't add fear, remove it. Every second matters. AI allows you to regenerate variations quickly, so don't settle for the first output. Generate multiple versions and choose the most unsettling one. Once your visuals are ready, pairing them with the right voiceover is crucial. A calm, controlled voice works far better than overacting. Speak as if you're recalling something traumatic, not performing it. Keep pauses intentional. Silence can be just as scary as sound. Add subtle ambient audio, like low drones or distant wind, but never overpower the narration. For platform optimization, keep your videos vertical and under 60 seconds. Aim for 40 to 50 seconds if possible. Add minimal on-screen text, just enough to reinforce the hook. Avoid clutter. Horror thrives in simplicity. Post consistently. Experiment with different horror themes like found footage, urban legends, or cursed recordings, and pay attention to what viewers respond to. The biggest advantage you have with AI is speed. You can test ideas daily, refine what works, and build a library of viral horror shorts without burning out. Focus on atmosphere, strong prompts, and clean storytelling, and the algorithm will do the rest. If you want more tutorials like this, deeper prompt breakdowns, and strategies to grow AI-powered channels, stay tuned. This is the AI Explorer, and I'll see you in the next one.
down here.